Hello students, let us learn General Science for class 3 from the book Science Square. Today we shall read chapter 12, The Wonderful Body Mission. In this chapter we shall discuss brain, sense organs and systems in our body. Let us begin the chapter. We know that human body can do many things at a time. It works more than a modern machine. Body can feel and react to what is happening around it. How is this possible? This is possible because human body has many systems which work together. Each system has a special structure and function. It consists of many organs made up of special tissues. Each tissue are specialized to do a similar job. Cell is the smallest working unit of the body machine. The controller brain. All the systems and organs of the body works under the control of brain. The brain, which is present in the head, is connected with all parts of the body through nerves. The brain and the nerves together forms nervous system. The brain receives messages and orders for the action. Sense organs. You know there are sense organs in our body which sends messages to the brain through nerves. The brain processes the message to understand the kind and the quality of pictures, sound, smell, taste and touch. The tongue has different areas which help us taste different things. Our entire body is covered with skin. Skin helps us to feel heat or cold, smooth or rough, light or heavy, soft or hard. So, the sense organs are eyes for seeing, understanding the quality of the picture, ears to listen to the voice, different voices, nose to smell different uh, odors, skin to feel the heat, cold, smooth, rough, light, heavy, soft, hard, and the tongue to taste bitter, sour, salty, and sweet taste. The skin at the tip of the fingers is the most sensitive. Systems in our body. Skeletal system, it gives protection to the internal organs. Muscular system, it gives strength to the body. Digestive system, it helps to digest the food. Respiratory systems, it supplies oxygen to burn the food to provide energy. Excretory system, it excretes the liquid waste. Let us have a chapter recap. Human body has many systems which work together. Cell is the smallest working unit of the body machine. All the systems and organs of the body work under the control of brain. The tongue has different taste areas. Breathing system supplies oxygen to burn the food to give energy. Digestive system makes the food Soluble. Excretory system excretes the liquid waste. This ends the chapter 12.